Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from Saks of Fifth. This is actually an MCM bag that I have been wanting it for so long, but when I discovered this bag, it was continued by them, so it was no way for me to get it. And then recently, Saks of Fifth website has these sales, and this bag popped up suddenly, and I was like, what? The bag I have been always wanted and is on sale. What's better than that, right? Other than this bag, the medium least tote also was available. I did also purchase that tote, but I think they oversold it, so they just canceled my order, unfortunately. I was hoping to get that one because I think that one, based on the picture, it looked like it was the older version that before they changed the material. So whoever was able to get that medium least tote, congratulations on your new tote. Just know I'm jealous. Let's see. Not sure if you could tell I was a little bit shocked opening up the box because it's not the bag I ordered. So I ordered a medium Klassik Visetos Tote in their brown color, their very traditional brown color, but that's not what I was expecting. This is actually a black one. I need to check my order. Did I order a wrong one? I don't think so. Let me go check. Okay, after I checked my order, apparently when I order, I didn't read the fine prints. So the color itself, it did say black color, but they only show the picture of the brown one. So I was thinking I was buying the brown one. But anyway, I'm happy with whatever color I could get with that price. So let's pull the bag out. And to me, I think black is more versatile anyway, so I'm happy with this incident. So let's open it up and take a closer look. I wonder if they send me a dust bag for this. I'm not sure this is the older material or their newer material, but it does feel really nice. It feels like a kind of a nice bison leather, pebble leather kind of texture. But of course, this is not leather. This is a coated canvas, but it's a special material that they created. I think they call it Visetos or something. So the bottom of the bag doesn't have feet, and the side I was looking at the side because recently when I buy bag, I always look at the glazing, because bags with glazing, sometimes they melt, sometimes they peel off. So I try not to buy too many bags that with a lot of glazing, because at some point they are going to break. So I'm glad this one, the side is actually not made with glazing. It was kind of fold in, and both layers folded in and sewed together. So that's great. The texture of the bag feels really nice. I think a couple days ago I went to the mall, I went to Nordstrom, and they have a MCM area there, and I look at their bags and I touch on their Visetos coated canvas bag, and it felt kind of plasticky, I have to say. this one feels really nice. If I don't know any better, I thought this would be like a leather bag or something. But I guess they did a good job with this bag and the material. Now look at the inside. Before we look into inside of the bag, on the outside they provided this D-ring. Not sure what this is for. I guess maybe to hook on your bag charm, luggage tag, so that you don't have to do DIY and hook one on your own. And they have this metal plate with some kind of their serial number probably. And then let's look at inside of the bag. Oh yeah, they did send me a dust bag. I was worried that because this is not a leather bag, they would skip on the dust bag, because sometimes Coach does that. I think a lot of time Coach doesn't send me a dust bag for men's bag, so it's good to get a dust bag. It's really nice quality dust bag. And the D-ring is only on the front, not at the back. Look like they already put the straps on. So the strap is hooking on the D-ring, one on the front, one at the back. And the strap itself, this webbing is really good quality. It's interesting that the front, they have this chevron kind of texture, and then at the back is different texture. I wonder they do that to prevent the strap sliding off, maybe. I also love that their crossbody strap doesn't have a kind of an end tail hanging out. You can adjust whatever length you want without have to worry about things hanging, just flopping around your back. That's really good. Let's take the stuffing out. One con with this bag is the interior is also black color. So it's really hard for me to see anything inside. Let's figure it out. So this is the front side has two slip pockets. Let's try to see if you can see it. Two slip pockets, and they have some kind of leather trimming on it, which is good because you get things in and out. Sometimes you would kind of pull the fabric material, so with leather trimming it helps to maintain the shape better. And then on the other side, it has a zip pocket. Let's see how deep is the zip pocket. It's not very deep. Probably enough for a wallet or phone, but not a very deep zip pocket. And I believe they come with this care card or something. So it comes with this little booklet. I think it's just like the Coach bag. They come with the care instruction and the warranty and the warranty and stuff. So let's test out the magnetic closure. It's pretty strong. I'm addicted to it. It's on the website, it says this is the medium, and looking at it, I would consider this one a large actually. It's bigger than many of my tote. I'm really happy with this size, but unfortunately the depth is not as deep here. But probably enough to put my compact camera in. It's a very sleek design, and I actually do like the black better than their traditional brown color one, because the logo pattern doesn't stand out as much, it's not as loud. So with this one, if you are someone who doesn't like monogram, doesn't like logos, I think this would be a good one. You can consider their black one, but I would encourage you to go into the store, check out the product itself and touch it and try out the bag, touch the texture before you buy it, because apparently after they change their materials, many people I know don't like the material. And this one, it does feel nicer than the one that I saw at the store. So maybe this, because this was an older bag and the material was still from the old time, good old time. So I'm really happy that at least one order came through, and it's a little bit sad that they canceled my least medium tote order. I'm really happy to add this into my collection. I think I can do a comparison with some of my Coach tote. It looks a little bit similar. Let me know what you think. And thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!